Hello, darling. I'm back. Okay, baby. Oh my god. Today I feel nervous. Why? Because I don't know have my teleprompter behind on the camera. I don't have my teleprompter. I feel very nervous. I don't know what to say. What to say? Oh no no no! Is Jack? I know what to say, but I don't know what the structure or what the say correctly sentence. The words and the grammar. Okay, today I I told you or I expect you about the body.
Wow.
Why? Because my body, is not a standard body. Is the real body. Is not a standard. Is the real body. I have the butt. I have the high. Um, I am the big woman. I am the big woman. Today I told you it's about the body because I am fashion designer. I am teacher about that. Um, in my social media, my YouTube and other social media, I share with you about the sewing, fashion designer, fabric, tips or hat about that. Um, it's very important for me teach you how to sew your fabric, your style, your wardrobe. What I teach you how to sew the clothes. It's not very easier for I know you manager. It's no problem. You see, I manager in English and I try practice. I try well. Expect with you. I try. But it's the same situation for you. You manager in the sewing and the machine and the work about the fashion design, but I stay here with you and stay your hand for help you about that, for help you step by step how to sew, how to make, how to you know. Um okay, I know you know me, but the first, hello, I'm Kirava. My real name is Yaisa Kirava in Spanish. In English, I think so is Aisha Kirava in English. I think so. It's my real name, but um, I love the sewing, the fashion. The reason for my nickname in the social media is that I love the sewing, but my real name is the second name. It's Kurava and Kurava Sewing is the reason my nickname. I'm from Colombia, but I born in Buenaventura, baby. I born in Buenaventura. Now I know it's still there. Now it's still in Bogota, in the capital, the Colombia. It's still here. In here, the bodies, other women's, the body is very different. The anatomy between in my air, in Buenaventura is very different. In Buenaventura, the woman is very big. It's very yes. Here the woman is more tall. Is it is not big woman. Is smaller. It's smaller. It's most have the leg, the length, um, or hit someone's health is very different woman for woman, but in my air in Buenaventura the woman is very different between here in Buenaventura the woman is very big, is very but my body is that is big, is is real body. I create my custom the clothes a long time. I start the create um, my custom my clothes for is very difficult or it's very hard found clothes with me. I try. Okay, I don't know boy shopping. I don't know go to shopping. I am fashion designer. I married. I start the make my clothes is very fun, It's very fun, is love it. I understand my course, my course. Um, for reason I start the create pills pattern for other person say my body with me, you know. In my website, I share with you my patterns. My pattern I create the base is my body. It's no, oh, it's the model. I create the model and no. I create the pattern for me. My size is 2XL or 3XL. Is around my size. Create my pattern and create my pattern and saw in the mirror and okay, look at this, is good or no, is wrong or sometimes this piece is a little wrong or try change this part. But I saw the mirror and look at this, the piece, the pattern is grown or is correct and is correct. Okay, I work continue the other side, small and big. I wear now the XL R 5XL. This is the size I work it now. You see in my website the chart, the measurement chart. You see the chart, the boats, the heats, But yes, in my last video, sorry, in my last video, I don't know you remember, I teach you how to make the pattern for blouse. The neckline is dropping in the neckline. This part is different. And is a halter is not the base is blonde. No, is halter top halter top. I teach you how to make the pattern. Um, you see the video is I don't know 10 minutes, 11 minutes. I don't remember 20 minutes, but you see the minutes are is good. It's all right, but the behind of the saying is different. It's not 20 minutes, 11 minutes. No, it's all day or 2 days, 3 days. I try, make it is. I work the pills is good. It's not only for me, it's for you. Um, I try work the every pills, the every side, but is I work fights fights and the first and the second, oh my god, and the three, oh my god, I think so, oh, I don't can do this, but the four and the five, got it, got it, got it, and got it. I very feel happy. I got it. The make the piece the correct is not have the wrong. You say the my body. You saying the similar my body. No problem. In my website, I word the pills the pattern for the real body for the curve bodies. Yes, I wanna I wanna make this video. Is my first video. I know use the teleprompter behind the camera. I feel very nervous. I feel, mm, but it's comfortable for me. I know stay in my bathroom. I feel comfortable. I feel peace. I feel sore, but I feel very little nervous. But I don't know. Oh, I know my structure in English about speech with you is no clear or is no good grammar or good structure. The subject, but I try and share with you about my experience in my body for the make the custom, the clothes. I want to share you. You see me. I practice my English every day. It's not easy for me. It's very hard. It's very it's for my and you see me is the mirror. Why? The mirror for you beginner in the sewing. I am no beginner in the sewing. I'm a fashion designer. I am teacher. I have the knowledge about that, but I don't know have knowledge about the English. I am manager. I am a star practice every day. I try make different in my content today. I feel free with you, but I want you not feel afraid about the start in the sewing. You think, oh my God, I don't know. No, I stay here for with you for help you, but I want the you see me the what do you speak English for I am manager, but it's no worry, I am three and the practice is perfect. You constantly practice creative or sewing or language and you're constantly and the time you you are really perfect with that. And yes, that's all. I think so, or I want you like this video and you like this video, thumbs up, please. And thank you for start here for support me. Thank you for share with me, and thank you for you buoyed my father. I know my English is not perfect, but um, my father. I have my group behind me. My group behind me. Then he and she now the language and then and help me the constructor give or other thing about the sewing I share with you in my website, then help me the constructor the information. Yes. Oh my God, I feel very nervous. And tell me and comment below what do you think about my English. What do you think? You're a star or you beginner about the sewing, about the creative work. And yes, um, for don't forget to follow in my social media. Is very appreciate that. Yes. um, I next I see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.